Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
I always love this view. First thing in the morning. Now then, where are we? Heading off to the lakes. We're off to Staveley. According to my weather app, nice blue skies up there. It's a bit cloudy here, but it's only just after 7:30. The guy that says at the beginning of this video, please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen, is an old school friend from way back. We were quite good mates when we was at school, and I'm going to tell you a bit of a story about him. When we was at school, we had a Marrow growing competition. Who could grow the biggest Marrow? Now, he had a big fancy greenhouse, and I just had a little cold frame. And we put our seeds in, and the Marrow started to grow. When I visited his greenhouse, his Marrow was miles bigger than mine. So being a 15-year-old kid, I snuck up one night, put a bit of poison on it. Can't remember what it was now, but being, again, a 15-year-old kid, I spouted my mouth off at school and told a number of people who obviously told him. I woke up one morning and went to have a look at my Marrow, and it had been trampled into the ground. Revenge. So one thing led to another, and we fell out. Around the time we fell out, I broke my wrist swinging from a tree. So it was decided that when my wrist healed, we would have a scrap. We'd have a Barney. We had a bit of a ruck. He kicked me in the ribs and punctured me lung. I didn't know at the time, but to go back to the hospital with a punctured lung. And another story, I was in Thailand with little Bob, and we was on Soy 7. In the afternoon we had a couple of beers, and I got a bit of a rumble on. Now you know what it's like when you're out there, you get a bit of a rumble in your stomach. I had to find a toilet. So I rushed into a bar, rushed to the toilet, and the door was bolted. So I stood outside. Oh, come on, hurry up, hurry up. The door opened, and there he stood. We looked at each other in utter shock. What are the chances of that happening? It's got to be 1,000,000 to 1 at least. We couldn't believe it. So me, Bob, him and his missus had a few beers, and I've not really seen him since then, until now. So I asked him to be on my channel. Now I don't want to moan about it, but we're getting the 8:09 Edinburgh train, which has cost me £12.60, and if we'd have got the 8:30 train going to exactly the same place, it'd have only cost me £10.45. So £2 and 10 pence down, roughly. But I won't say out. I won't mention it. Bit fast, isn't it? Here it is. Only 1 hour late. 1 hour late. Should have been the 8:09. It is now 9:07. Right. We're on. Let's see our sharps.
Get in here.
We're in.
Fair play to British Rail for that.
I'm at the end of my tether. There's Owen. Oh, can you see us? How are you doing?
Ladies and gentlemen, Northern Service 2 Windermere, will be calling Kendal, Burnside, Staveley, and finally Windermere. The first stop will be Kendal.
That's the first train we've been on. There's been no hiccups.
Yeah.
But he went to the toilet.
Okay, yeah.
I was looking there doing his laundry. He was washing his smalls through. You have to get your second set out.
We've made it to Staveley. I don't know, I think we're going somewhere up there. We've made it to Staveley. It took us best part of 2.5 hours to do a 20-minute journey from Lancaster and a 10-minute journey from Oxenholme Lake to here. 2.5 hours. And there we go. Thank you, driver. Here we go down the steps.
Hello,
Start of the journey.
First one at year.
Oh, hi, Happy New Year, by the way. Well, that's the first bit done. That's the hard bit. Apart from nearly killing himself on the train, and he nearly fell over. He's doing all right as the old lad. I'm looking forward to some gelato. Is it gelato? Gelato. Gelato. Last time we came here, the water was that rapid. It's coming over there as well. Fuck.
Yeah, but look. Look at that. Didn't get that, did we, last time?
A man at one with technology.
Hello. Taking a snap.
Worth taking. Last time we came, all that was cloud.
That's it. Somewhere.
Right.
And it's all little scenes. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
It's all little scenes.
Easy.
It's all little scenes.
The family jewels.
Get my leg over.
Not bad for 60 that. It's a beautiful day for it. Quite warm. Climb over this. It's not easy.
It's pirouetted on that top of there.
I know. Go on, I'll let you pass. You're fitter than us.
No photos though, please.
Hey? I'm going to put you all over the internet. Eh?
Driving off work.
Oh yeah? I'll blur you out then. Is there any shops up here?
A couple, yeah. So Sainsbury's, Morrison's. And, yeah.
Right.
Careful, Sainsbury's. Lots of money.
Whoa, we're halfway. We're having some liquid refreshment and then we're going to head up somewhere where them two people are in the distance up there, called, no, that's Potter's Tarn, or is this one here Potter's Tarn? Is this, I don't know,
I'm sure we headed for Potter Tarn last time.
but we're going to go up there.
Still got it.
Now then, where are we? That's the lake, well, the town we've been to before. Had something to eat, a little drinky. And we're just getting our breath back. The sun's getting through, it's getting warm. It's beautiful, isn't it? Nice. It's still. No wind idly, it might be at the top, hopefully. Can I just put in? That town down there, I came up here with Mr. T, and it was cold, there was frost and snow and ice, and there was a man and woman skinny dipping. All fed and watered.
With fuel?
No, with belly, meat, tomato basil soup,
Yeah.
salmon pasta with cream cheese, and a little nature trail bath with pud. It was, I could smell that soup when I was down there. It was very nice. Covent Garden, only the best. Covent Garden.
My body is a temple. I don't put cheap petrol in my body. Oh right, it was a yellow sticker from Mazda, but that's not the point. And that there, I did customary meatballs.
I had meatballs with some broad beans, and that is it. And then Sharpie give me a protein bar.
I wasn't going to mention that. As a gesture, I did purely because I'm a nice person.
And some Factor 50 sun cream for my neck.
Eh?
So there.
Some people you walk with
No.
give you nothing.
They give you nothing.
They give you no.
We won't say who it is, but give you nothing.
Over and out.
Oh my God! Oh, you couldn't bear that.
That's fair. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Got to get its eyes.
Well, you read a frog spawn? Well, that is frog porn.
There he is. Right, I'm catching him up. I've been dithering with me. I've put my wide angle lens on now. I was dithering about a bit there. There's some nice yellow flowers here. He's got the gate.
One old lad.
Not far now. Ooh, got fire on.
Why was this weather? Yeah, we would say.
Ooh, it's. How are we doing?
I wanted some, I'm on my own, but I wanted to know the time the bus to Kendal. Yeah.
I don't know.
Don't know buses, no, we're waiting train.
What do you want,
Are you
Sharks?
going? I can go on the train. What time's the train?
I'll have a look in a minute.
Cable.
Just the two.
Yeah.
960, please.
Great, well, that's alright then.
As cheap as that.
You've done well there.
Did you have an early start?
There we go.
We got here for about 20 to 10.
Yeah.
Oh, you've had a few hours.
Yeah, I've had a few hours out, yeah.
Got fire on in here.
If I sit in them, I'm not getting out of them again.
No. I think I'll get
Rhubarb and custard.
Yeah.
And I've also got blood orange sorbet. Brilliant. Can I get one scoop of mango and one scoop of blood orange? Yeah, together? Yeah, sorry.
I think I'll get rhubarb and custard.
Just use
Yeah.
with both sorbets. Yeah, thank you. Lovely. Coming up.
Gelato, maybe? Coffee?
I don't know what it is, that. What is it?
Coffee.
You've got a little crack there, so just be careful.
Right.
Oh, it's fraught with danger.
It's taking the weight and the strain.
It's going to be trying in 5 minutes.
Oh no, don't cry.
Campaign together, yeah. I'll have a rhubarb and custard with a chocolate, please.
Rhubarb with chocolate in a cone as well?
Yes, please.
Right, you are. I haven't had a chance to top up my disc because
You've been that busy.
been that busy. It's the
awesome.
sunshine.
It is.
It's bringing everybody out. We're all like, oh God, quick, get out.
This is a good thing.
It is. We are not complaining. Right, that's for you.
Tastes even better when it's free.
Yeah, that grew up then, wouldn't it? Thank you very much.
This is the best I can do for Natalie.
Oh, that'll be
Alright, thank you very much.
All right,
See you,
thank
bye.
very much.
Cheers.
Thank
See ya.
you. Bye now. Hiya. Thanks for your patience.
Chocolate and hazelnut.
Yeah.
And rhubarb and custard. And Sharps has got Belgian chocolate and
Rhubarb and custard.
rhubarb and custard.
Yeah, nothing. Beautiful.
Mmm.
Certain death.
Sit at this table and
Go
rest
on.
me old weary limbs. Are you pressing green then? Sharps.
We will when it stops.
Yeah.
Not before, not doing that panicky thing where people stress out. I'll bide me time. I'll bide me time. And away. And away.
And away
When
we
the gap.
We'll probably be delayed here for an hour. I hope not, because there's nothing here at all.
Platform 1 for the 15:30 Trans-Pennine Express service to Manchester Airport.
That'll do us. That'll do us.
Manchester Oxford.
That'll do us, Wilt.
Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Airport. This train
We reckon for a jaunty jog. Are we capable? No, yeah. The batteries have ran out of the back of the legs. Look at that, still got it. Still got it. Here he comes.
Service to Manchester Airport. That's the 50
We're still up.
service to Manchester Airport.
We're still in debt, but there.
Manchester Oxford Road, Manchester Piccadilly, and Manchester Airport.
Yeah.
That's worked on. You could make that any better.
We ain't were that good this morning, but never mind.
The next stop will be Lancaster.
Good in.